Hello everyone, I am Miss Priyanka Sanjay Latte, working as lecturer at Mula Education Society's Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy Sone. In this presentation, I am going to discuss topic that is astringent. This topic we will discuss for first year D Pharmacy students. Content of presentation: Introduction, definition of astringent, synonym, biological source, description, chemical constituent, chemical test and uses of following drugs. First one, black catechu, and second one, pale catechu. Now firstly we will discuss introduction. Astringents have low penetrability and only the surface of the cells are affected. They are used as septic and antidiarrheal agents. They may be of vegetable or mineral origin. Vegetable origin of astringents are tannic acid, myrobalan, behra, catechu. The mineral origin of astringents are salts of aluminium, bismuth, barium, copper and zinc. Next point, definition of astringent. Astringents are the substances which causes contraction of organic tissue by precipitating proteins. Examples: catechu, behra, myrobalan. Now firstly we will discuss black catechu. Good drugs. Synonyms: katha, kadir, khair. Biological source: it consists of dried aqueous extract of heartwood of the plant Acacia catechu belonging to family Leguminosae. The word catechu is used for different varieties of commonly known substance katha in market. In reality, there are two distinct varieties which constitute katha and kach of the pharmacological quality. A pale produce rich in catechin is katha and the other rich in catechutanic acid is the kuch. Katha is extensively used with betel leaf and also in medicines. Kutach is used in dyeing and calico printing. Katha is manufactured from Acacia catechu. Katha and Kultach are two different products of the same plant. Next point, method of preparation of katha. Katha is prepared in almost all parts of India. It is generally manufactured from November to February. The process consists of filling the tree and cutting twig into small pieces. Heartwood of the plant is sorted out and made into chips. These chips are boiled with water in earthen pots for about 3 to 4 hours. Decoction is taken out and process of extraction is prepared several times. After the heartwood is exhausted, extract is filtered and concentrated in earthen pots. It is then set aside for several days and filtered through sand and clay. The soluble tannins percolate through beds and katha remains behind. It is then pressed into blocks cut into small tablets and dried in shade. At present, stainless steel vessels are used for the manufacture of catechu, which is lighter in color. Next point, organoleptic characters. Color light brown to black. Odor none. Taste very astringent. Size about 2.5 to 5 cm. Shape cube or irregular fragments of broken cube or brick shape pieces. Extra features: the cubes as well as brick shaped pieces of catechu show the presence of vegetable debris and break with a short fracture. The broken pieces are angular with pale cinnamon brown color. It is friable and porous. Next point, chemical constituents. Black catechu contain about 10% of aca-catechin, which is insoluble in cold water and soluble in hot water. Aca-catechin is also known as acacia-catechin. Aca-catechin undergoes oxidations to catechutanic acid in presence of water, and the latter constitutes about 30% of the drug. The other contents of black catechu are catechu red, quercetin and gum. Black catechu does not contain caryophyll and also the fluorescent substances present in pale catechu. Next point, chemical test. First one, with ferric chloride solution, it gives bluish black color. Second one, black catechu gives pink or red color with vanillin and hydrochloric acid. Third one, lime water gives brown color with aqueous solution of black catechu. Next point, uses. First one, it is used as an astringent for digestion and cooling purposes. Second one, it is used for dyeing and tanning, as a preservative to fishing nets, shells. Third one, it is used for relaxed condition of throat, mouth and gums in cough and diarrhea. Fourth one, water softening, manufacture of stencils and printer inks are other uses of catechu. Now next point, second good drugs, Gambier catechu. Synonym, pale catechu. Biological source, it consists of dried aqueous extract prepared from leaves and young twigs of shrub Uncaria gambier belonging to family Rubiaceae. Description: color cinnamon brown color, odor odorless, taste astringent, shape cubes. Next point, chemical constituents. It contains 22 to 50% catechutanic acid, 7 to 33% catechin, catechu red, quercetin and glambier fluorescein. Next point, chemical test. First one, for catechin, match stick turns red with hydrochloric acid. Second one, For glanbia fluorescein, the powder drug is extracted with alcohol. Solution of sodium hydroxide is added to the filtrate. Shake a few drops of light petroleum is added. Shake again and allow to stand. The petroleum layer acquires green fluorescence. Third one, with the mixture of vanillin and hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, it gives pink or red color. The next point, difference between black catechu and pale catechu. In that first point, it consists of dried aqueous extract of plant Acacia catechu belonging to family Leguminosae. In pale catechu, it is obtained from aqueous extract from leaves and twig of Oncaria glanbia belonging to family Rubiaceae. Second point, it is a light brown to black in color, and in pale catechu, it is cinnamon brown in color. Third point, in black catechu, it does not contain caryophyllene, and in pale catechu, it contains caryophyll. Hence, the chloroform extract of drug in white porcelain dish shows greenish yellow color. Fourth point, in black catechu, with ferric chloride solution, it gives bluish black color, and in pale catechu, it does not give positive taste with ferric chloride solution. Then fifth point, the aqueous solution of black catechu gives brown color with lime water, and in pale catechu, it is negative taste. Then sixth point, in black catechu, it contains 30% catechutanic acid, which is a oxidized products of acacatechin, and in pale catechu, it contains 22 to 50% catechutanic acid, which decompose into catechu red. Thank you.